Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Texta AI tool. Here you can type Texta AI. You can easily generate your content. For example, you can generate blog posts and different type of other content. Simply you can create a free account. You have multiple options to create your account. And now let me select one of my Google account, then allow access. And now here you can see account is created. Click here content writer. Here you can type the keyword that you want to rank. For example, let me add top 5 ways to make money online. Then click here create for free, and within few seconds you will get a complete SEO friendly article. So guys, here you can see article is ready, and we have a blog post that have title and description with images as well as table of contents and call to action buttons. If I scroll down, here you can see a video. So this AI tool can help you create a lot of content